Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video we will doing the unboxing of the Redmi A1 Plus, and this is a new budget phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 20,000 BKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a 2 GB of RAM with a 32 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the light blue color. This phone is manufactured in Pakistan. That's really good thing. So here's a box of the A1 Plus. On the back we have nothing, and on the front we can see the device and its design. So now let's quickly unbox the Redmi A1 Plus, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio A22 SoC. This phone is running on Android 12 Go edition. So let's quickly unbox this phone. I already removed the plastic. So here our device Redmi A1 Plus, and the box is open like this, and the box is also manufactured in Pakistan, whatever you want to call it. So here is our device Redmi A1 Plus. So now let's out the phone from this box, also from the plastic. So here is the Redmi A1 Plus looks like in the light blue color. About the design language, this phone looks really beautiful and premium as well, because on the back we have a leather type finish, but the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. So again, these are the main highlighting feature of the Redmi A1 Plus. This phone has a 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. This phone also has a fingerprint scanner. On the back we have 6.5-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display, of course with 60Hz refresh rate. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size with a 10-watt inbox charger. Again we have MediaTek Helio A22 SoC, as you can see. So now let's quickly remove this elastic, and now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front it does not have any screen protectors. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So first thing, we got this section. So inside this section we have our charger, and guys, and this is a 10-watt adapter. This phone maximum support 10-watt fast charging, no fast charging, normal fast charging. Also we have cable, and this is a micro USB cable. No type C on the Redmi A1 Plus. That's really disappointing thing. In 2022 we should see type C. We also have simulation tool, and below there warranty card, quick start guide in the Urdu language. That's really good thing. PDA approved guide. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now also carry Redmi A1 Plus. So on the back we have a dual cameras, 8 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. So here is our fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner location, it is really good. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have headphone jack, micro USB port, microphone, and on this side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. So you can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. So we also have a rubber inside the SIM tray. On the top we have another speaker. This phone I believe has a dual speakers. I'm not sure about that. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. So this phone has a 6.5-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate. We also have a water top notch, and the bottom chin it is, I would say, but not as big as Nokia C21. So on the front we have 5 megapixel selfie camera. The overall the display, I would say it is pretty average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. Guys, here is the first boot of the Redmi A1 Plus. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a 720p IPS LCD display, and the display it is pretty bright, but not the brightest. And this phone has a Android 12 Go edition. Software is very similar to a Google Pixel phone. That's really good thing. And you can see here all the options that is available in this phone. So now let's go to the settings. And again, this phone is powered by Helio A22 SoC, but you can see in day-to-day tasks I did not notice any big lags, and this phone is running on Android 12 Go edition. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has fingerprint scanner on the back, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner it is not the fastest. It take 1 second, but it is okay. So now let's look at the camera. So here's the camera UI looks like. We have photo mode, video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We also have portrait mode. In the mode section, we have short video and time lapse, no slow motion, no night mode, anything like that. So now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera, I would say it is okay. Front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. So this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10 watt charging support. So this phone should give you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem, because we have a lighter OS. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the Redmi A1 Plus. Do let me know your thoughts regarding the Redmi A1 Plus in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.